What's up, y'all? It's your girl Avian, and I've been invited by Team Mancuso North to come and show you guys the new 2022 SeaDoos. What I've got back here is the SeaDoo WakePro. Now this is a 230 horsepower PWC. Now the first thing you're gonna notice when you see the WakePro is this badass color. This color is pretty dope. It's the new Neo Mint, and I'm kind of digging it. So let me give you a quick tour around this ski. It comes with the BRP sound system, okay? It has the glove box that has the water protected storage area, and also this lovely USB charger. Multiple phones fit in there, and other things can fit in there. And it protects your phone from bumping around, because normally a foam sits inside there and it prevents the shock of your phone. And I know from experience because I've damaged some sensors on my iPhones. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Nice detail. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all something. Now remember, keep in mind, this unit is not fully built yet. So give us some leeway on this. But I wanted to show you guys, normally right here, it will be the dual colorful display that's here. Now what I love about the WakePro, the Fish Pro, the RXT, and the GTX is their storage compartment. If you watch my channel, I always say that. Is that look how big and easy, accessible this compartment is. Like, you could fit a bunch of stuff in here and you don't have to reach over your steering column to get into it. And also under the hatch, you have the fuel neck where you would unloosen your cap and easily, keyword easily, put your fuel. Another thing besides the color is I'm really digging the seats. Now these seats look like they're super grippy, and I love the pattern that they've embossed inside the back seat. I wish they came like this on all the skis. See, they continued the details of the tropical leaf theme on the ski. Now most people don't know what makes a WakePro. Well, WakePros are meant to be able to tow behind and also wakeboard behind, or even wake ski probably. But look at this. It comes with this pylon that acts as a handle for your back passengers, or to hook up your tow line for your tubers or the people you are just towing around. Now what the WakePro package comes with is the retractable ski pylon, the lovely wakeboard mount, and your wake ski mode. This is your wakeboard holder. Now the question is it easy to mount on and unmount? Well, let's test it out. So they have this red lever right here, and all you do is pull it up, and look how easy that was, okay? And to put it back on, all you're gonna do is hook it on down here, tilt it up, and give a little bit of pressure, and there you go. It's locked on. On the ST3 platform, you'll see here that it has a big deck and these lovely link mounts. Now you can go to SeaDoo's website and check out all their accessories. You can put fuel cans, storage boxes, coolers, a bunch of stuff, actually multiple things, because SeaDoo has just came out with something that adds a plate that goes on the back, and you could add 3 different things for those long journeys. Now we're going to talk about what's in the back right now. So we have the reboarding ladder, which comes in handy, especially when you're in deep water. And a lot of people find it very useful. The IBR bucket, this drops down and helps control when you're reversing and when you need a brake. It's the only true braking system on a PWC. Now here's a very important tip for you guys that y'all probably will find useful. You want to make sure after every time you go riding, you open these. A lot of people don't open it because they feel like they don't need to, but you want to open them just to see if any water got in for some reason. And very importantly, close them. You want to make sure you close them back up because you don't want any water somehow, it's not supposed to, but somehow getting inside. And as you can see right here, it does give you lovely instructions saying do not stand on here, put your hand on here, and also right here about how to flush your ski. You don't want to be flushing your ski for so long. Follow what the manual says and your ski will do right by you. So now you're probably wondering, what's the difference from the 170 Wake and the WakePro 230? The 230 comes automatically with the BRP speakers and the 170 is optional. And the 230 comes on the ST3 hull and the 170 comes on the GTI platform, which means that it is a Polytech hull. All right, y'all, so that just completes our tour on the SeaDoo WakePro 230. Now make sure you go and support your local dealers for any type of maintenance or accessories or just questions. They'll be able to help you. And you can also check out the 2022 models. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see any other videos, you can see them up above here for the RXT and the SeaDoo Fish Pro Scout. But until next time, see y'all on the water.